Welcome back to another West Country Tech video. Today we are looking at the installation of a security and Wi-Fi solution install on a farm, campsite and holiday let. This is a site where the customer required faster internet for the entire house, as well as a holiday let and a rented part of the property. This internet was also shared down to a campsite and distributed via the Zyxel outdoor rated access points. For the Wi-Fi, we installed a 4G antenna on the side of one of the farm sheds facing the optimal direction for the best speeds. In each location hardware is installed, a gubbins box is used to keep some of the key elements of the system safe, secure and tidy. 2 gubbins boxes were installed inside this shed, as this would be the main hub for the site's system. Many bullet cameras were used around the site for security purposes. This one was installed on the side of this storage shed to cover both the entrance to the site and the shed itself. Many more bullet cameras were installed around the site. To send the signals back to the recorder, we used wireless links. We also installed turret cameras, mainly in stable interiors for both security and livestock monitoring. The wireless links were also used to send the Wi-Fi signal across the site to access points across the campsite, all leading back to the main hub shed.